Okay, on display here, we're looking at the Hisense 17.1 cubic foot garage ready upright freezer. This is the price at a local Costco store right now. Seems like a pretty good deal for this particular freezer. I do like how the handle is a lot different than what they've had in the past. You pull on it a little bit, it's got a little bit of give. Let's go ahead and look at the inside here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves here on the right. Shows you how deep they are. And then you got some shelves on the inside, and they're glass shelves. So you got 1, 2, 3 shelves there, and then you got a pull out. Actually, you got 4 shelves because that's a shelf on the bottom with a pull out drawer like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different shelves here. This is your control module here so that you can turn up the temperature. It is like a touch screen type. No frost, it says. Lots of room in this particular freezer here. Hisense did a pretty good job with this particular model. Let's go ahead and close the door, show you guys if it leaves any fingerprints. And it does not, so I do like that. Let's take a look at the side of it. And it's got a matching color on the side. So there you go. There's a look. Oh, let's take a look at some of the other specifics right here. It is garage ready. It's easy to switch from a freezer to a fridge. So it is that convertible type freezer. Garage ready in freezer mode. Reversible door, which is another big thing. So that means you can put the hinges here or on the other side over there. Seal brake handle and total no frost. 17 cubic feet. So hopefully that gives you a better idea if you're in the market to buy this freezer. Thanks for watching.